I have the beautiful Bryn Edwards here. She's one of the product developers, which I think is so cool, at Temp-tations. And Temp-tations, you said, has been, it's exclusive to QVC. Yes. So if you've never shopped for Temp-tations or you've never shopped at QVC, this is the only place you're going to get it. Tell us what makes Temp-tations so special.
Temp-tations is fabulous because not only are our pieces so beautiful, our stoneware is so fantastic, but it's so functional. So you can use these pieces day in and day out, go anywhere in the kitchen that you need them to go, and then they still look just as pretty as they look right now, year after year after year.
And I mean, I think also so many people have started to collect Temp-tations. So the fact that now we're bringing you, again, new just a few weeks ago, this is your seasonal set of 3 bowls. And they're so cute. All different little themes. And again, if you're like me or my mom, or I know you were saying, so many people, it's all about bringing out those very special seasonal dishes. And also as you have these year after year, it's something that you will just remember. And every time you bring them out, they'll bring a smile to your face.
Exactly, traditions.
Beautiful. This is the holiday pattern.
Yes, so you're getting actually 3 bowls here, and they nest inside quite beautifully. You're getting a 1/2 quart, a 1 quart, and then a 1.5 quart in no matter what choice that you make. But we have our holiday here, and you've been seeing the scenes that I've been holding up to the camera for you. Look at these beautiful detailed scenes inside each one. I love this so much, with all of our hand-painted accenting, our beaded edge, and then our little helper handle here is actually a bow on this one. So it looks like an ornament. Isn't that great?
I love it. And also, again, these are all ceramic, and again, as Bryn said, hand-painted details here. This is your harvest.
This is your harvest, our awesome acorn shape. You love this iconic piece. You've been collecting it.
Fun shapes.
Isn't this so fun? And they do nest so perfectly inside each other. So again, that 1/2 quart, that 1 quart, the 1.5 quart, all nest together. Isn't that great? So that's your harvest. Again, with that beaded, beautiful braided edge, all the hand painting there.
And then what we call romance.
Romance, love this. So the figural heart here. And the fun thing about this is if you bake cakes in it, which I'll show you in a minute, it actually comes out as a heart, which is fantastic.
That's adorable.
But look at the detailing on there, the embossing inside, the painting, and then again, that beautiful edge to this.
I love that textured
all
edge. It's
3
really,
of those
really
bowls.
pretty.
Beautiful.
And this is really fun. And then your firework.
Yes, this is fantastic.
That's Katy Perry's choice.
It is Katy Perry's choice.
I'm just kidding.
And Tara, our founder's
she's a
choice.
firework?
Yeah, she's a firework. So Tara, our founder, loves to decorate an Americana all year round, so this is definitely her go-to. And we love this star shape because, again, anything that you bake in here will become a star when you pop it out easily. So it's so fun.
It becomes a star, literally and figuratively.
Yes.
This is our most popular and our most limited, that firework. So, baby, if you're a firework, get that one.
So we have some delicious things over here to show you. And I'm going to go to the oven for even more. Isn't that great? How sweet is that? So as I was saying, it makes the shape of the heart when you pop it out. The beauty of our stoneware is not only how durable it is, but it's also naturally non-stick. So you can bake anything in here and it will come out really cleanly to the shape of the piece. So you can easily make these cakes, decorate them however you want. I'm going to run and grab. We have a mac and cheese for you. So all of our pieces are oven safe up to 500 degrees, which is fantastic.
So ceramic, hand painted, all these beautiful details. But again, you've got that durability and that versatility.
You do. So that goes from the oven.
That is, right?
Isn't that fantastic? This mac and cheese looks amazing. Check this out. And then it just peels away from the sides so easily there because of that non-stick. But yes, oven safe, microwave safe, toaster oven safe, refrigerator, dishwasher. You can do anything with these. Dishwasher is the most important. Major.
Especially during the holidays. You don't, I mean, I have some beautiful dishes, but then they're hand washed. So in theory, I want to use them, but I don't because I don't want to hand wash them. I just want to put everything in the dishwasher.
You're exactly right. And the beauty of this is that it is everything in one. So you can put your ingredients in here. You can mix them up. I have my metal mixer here, you're noticing, because these are metal utensil safe, so no problem there. Mix this all up. I can pop this into the oven, bake it up, serve it in this piece, or pop it out really beautifully if I want to, and then I can put it in the fridge or freezer when I'm done. It's fantastic.
Wow, I love that. But again, I think what also, besides the versatility, how beautiful everything looks when you take it to the table.
You're exactly right. When I started with Temp-tations, I kind of took all of my icky metal pans, all of my plain glass that I was so bored with and it had seen better days, took all of that out and replaced it. And you can replace it with these pieces that do so many things. You can make cakes in these. You can make mac and cheese in these. All of those pieces in just 3 of these bowls that nest so beautifully. So you're saving so much space as well and making your table just so much more beautiful.
I want to remind you of your 4 choices here because, again, this is the seasonal offering, new just a few weeks ago, and it's the only order of the year, so you're going to want to get these while we still have all of your choices. You know what, if you're a collector, obviously you're going to use them year-round. You're going to want to lock in all four. A set of 3 for $29.98. You're looking at your holiday. That is the most popular this morning.
And I love this. We did a different scene in each one of the 3 bowls. So you have your tree there.
I did not realize
you have your fireplace there. So Santa's eating his cookies, and then Santa's baking his cookies in the little one. This is my favorite. I love that old-fashioned oven. So cute. All the detailing on those, you're going to love that.
No, Santa baked too. My gosh.
He does everything,
I
right?
thought the elf did. I don't know. I thought the elf. I don't know who I thought baked.
He's probably just taking credit for it.
Oh, Santa. Okay, then we have your harvest
in our fantastic acorn shape. I love this so much. So this will bake a little acorn cake in here, or cornbread if you want to. How sweet is that?
Oh my God, cornbread and an acorn.
Isn't that great?
That's crazy.
And look at all that hand-painted detail on each one of these. So no two is exactly alike. Painted on the sides, on the inside. So from every angle, you're seeing something really beautiful on all of our pieces. And then we go to our romance. I love this for year-round.
This is year-round.
Yeah.
Artworks are always cute and appropriate.
They are. For birthdays, for fun events, for just having people over. And these are such usable sizes. This is a 1.5 quart. We go down to 1 quart in the middle, and then a 1/2 quart here. You will use these every single day. They have great capacity for all kinds of things, from lunches to dinners to breakfast. You're good to go.
Firework.
I
also love how this middle size has like contrasting colors.
Isn't that great? Yeah, so
imagine
Tara's really thought of everything here.
Too. All
You're
the details.
Exactly right. Tablescaping. We have so much fun with that, and we can even show you. We did a little bit of tablescaping there, but
I like tablescaping.
Think outside the box. Put candles in here. Put some maybe ornaments or things like that for the holidays, and have these be decorative pieces as well as using them as functional pieces. And have a lot of fun with them.
Your item number H219284. You have a set of 4 different seasonal patterns. Why not get all 4? We have 4 seasons. You're getting 3 bowls.